Standard question. So humid air, dry air. Humid air has more water vapor, has more ions to neutralize the charges on charged objects. As a person walk on the carpet, it's found that the carpet become negatively charged. This must mean that there is a movement of electrons from the man's feet to the carpet to make the carpet negatively charged. So the person actually becomes positively charged in the process. And because we say that the man is positively charged, that's how we represent the charges on the man. And therefore, in the neutral metal knot, the metal knot is neutral. The electrons in the metal knot actually move towards the left because they are being attracted towards the left. Remember, we say that this side of the metal knot therefore becomes have an induced negative charge. The right side actually becomes it has a induced positive charge. Overall, the metal knot is still neutral. And this therefore sets up electric field, and therefore this is how we can draw the electric field lines. So take a moment to perhaps copy down the points that I've just mentioned out. I've written it on the slide too. So what happens if the person touches the metal knot before and when he touches? So the positive charges on the finger actually attracts electrons, and then upon contact you get a shock lah, you get some painful sensation because the electrons will therefore move into the hand because the hand is very positively charged. And therefore, many ways to prevent electric shock like this. One, make the room more humid or just be in Singapore. Alright. Number two, use leather shoes instead of rubber shoes because you don't want you want a grounding connection. So if you wear rubber shoe, is a very good insulator, and once you are charged up, it's very hard for you to discharge automatically. And there's some anti-static products that can remove charges away from you. Or actually, one more thing that I do is always in cold countries, capital area, I always touch the wall so that I can just ground myself every now and then to prevent big accumulation of charges, because when that happens and you happen to touch a metal doorknob or anything, or your friend, you'll get a nasty electric shock that it's not super painful but it's very irritating. So if you constantly ground yourself by touching touching your friend or touching the walls and stuff, you prevent charges from accumulating up in the body.